Here's what we got for today, friends. We got this pretty decrepit Norway maple. Got compromise at the base split. This north side is pretty busted up. This is going to be a down only, but the client does want this stuff cut in pretty small pieces. So Andy is with me. He's in the back just taking a limb off of a old silver maple stump that grew out. Shouldn't take us too long. We'll get it wrecked out, buck all the wood up, and go from there. That's the kind of stuff we're dealing with on this tree all over the place. Quite a bit of rot. Doesn't take much for that branch to come off. We're making progress here. Folks is just cutting away, having a good old time down there. Separating some wood from brush. Wanted to work the south lead down mostly first. I did little pickings on that north lead, but with this south one down, then this north lead, a lot of the branches can just get bombed. I guess that's going to do it for us. Made a mess. We did have one collateral damage. Some of ours broke over here though. And he's got a nice stack of brush cut up nicely, wood and brush separated. Got a little stack over here. Check out this cool old tree. He had this taken down many years ago by somebody else. Silver maple. They left this giant stump and now it's turning into a tree again. So we had this pretty big limb that we took off that was over the house. We did that. At least the rest of those are weighted away from the house. But that's where they wanted us to leave it. Guess we'll call it good. Hopefully the old second gen starts now. Been having an issue with it. As it gets hot, it don't like to start. So we let it sit in the state of SOS, the hood up to get some of that heat out of there. Probably something with the VP44, but anyway. We'll catch y'all later. So we're at the job now. We're back in here. Pretty nice. And then here's the tree. It's actually a basswood tree. Not huge, but pretty tall. You know, this is a tree that grew up in the woods. This was all woods through here. I was actually here before, like last year or something, and I took a bunch of red pines here that were where the pool house is now. Pretty sweet property back here. Yeah, and I removed a bunch of trees all throughout here. I don't know, probably 20 trees or something. I imagine they just felt like this basswood was a little too close for comfort on this new pool shack here. It does have a little wound at the base, I assume, from equipment coming through. Really straight tree. It'll be a pretty simple climb. Bunch of basswoods through here. It's kind of cool. Yeah, so I guess this is the only one on the docket for today. So my drop zones are here and here. Looks like it's got a little bit of a split top when I was eyeing it up. Shouldn't take too long. We'll get geared up. We'll just spike up it. I'll grab a climb line with me on the way up too. Small branches, actually. Not gonna hear me complaining about that. I got a little breeze now. That's nice. I think this one's going to call for a rig and hang. That's a little much. So let's do that. Plenty of height. Probably the biggest branch, actually. Basswood cut's so nice. It's pretty soft. I just don't love my drop zones for the top. Probably can hit that spot. We do have the corner of the building coming out. Just got to make sure I'm not going to hit into these trees. I don't want the butt to go down and then the top to come over on the building. And the other option is I just rig and hang these two top stems separately, which is what I'm leaning towards right now. So we'll see here. Getting skinny, I don't want to go up much higher. Tree guy in a little tree. Yeah, we're in 3-inch wood now. Basswood is, depending on the year, can be brittle. Right now in the summer, it's okay. That was quite gentle. Guess I don't have to hold on to the piece, do I? That was good. I like it. So we'll call that the brush out. Pause for a look around. Yeah, from here there was a bunch of pines right where this pool house is now. A couple basswoods if I remember too. Took out some trees on the other side of that brown fence too. They built this whole retaining wall, of course all the pool house. Big project. Reinforced the whole retaining wall all the way down. So yeah, they're just going to do grass through here now. So they just wanted me in and out on this last tree. These other basswoods look pretty good. Nice day. A nice house too. 3 ACs running it. Not much to see this way. Don't mind jumping in that pool afterwards, but cutting it in chunks that I can handle easily. Gaff out once. It's mandatory. took me a little less than an hour. Not too bad. This didn't smash my thumb with the piece on the way down. Yeah. So there too, you make a pile like that. Do you all take the wood off first, so you don't have to pull the brush out from under the wood? Or do you risk tripping like I just did and pull the wood off first? Typically I pull the wood off first and try not to trip. I don't know. Well, I guess that's it. I'm just going to tarp this trailer down now and we'll head out. Guess I didn't ask him if he wanted the stump ground or anything, but I'll put a text into him and that's good. That didn't take me too long. I can get back to. I got a couple of jobs to look at on the way out of here now. So that worked out okay.